Good morning, sir. Sorry for Charlie's Steve's meeting so early in the morning. I don't know how busy you are, but thanks for giving me the opportunity of sharing my desk for a potential new brand name for our company. Okay, so picture this. You're walking through the streets of New York and realize that our phone is terrible, outdated, and you desperately want to change it, but there is an alternative that gives an outstanding quality while maintaining an affordable price. So you look up the skies and Times Square and see two billboards, one having our almost logo, a great undivided as it is, and the other white symbol that gives a friendly aura, that gives the impression of company that you as a customer can trust, one that truly makes your hair raise what is beautiful colors and the embodies the values of the American people. That is what my idea for our rebranding on French Touch is all about. For the design, I was trying and jersey colors like yellow red, which are well known for product desires in the client. Also trying see very important and the amount of letters that our actual logo has. For example, use one phrase that means all the qualities of our brand like always modern, always effective. And the symbol in the middle of the logo could be me and computer with a light bulb above. It simplifies it is an impacting in the client. I have made a market study, so we have you place it in a resort place. As I said before, the Times Square in excellent option. In addition, the profits that we will obtain with wonderful marketing strategy will triple the expense. The best thing is that if I will only cost us 5% of our monthly income in the city wonderful. I want you to thank everything I have told you today and I will wait for your answer.